Today's lesson is on interval notation. Interval notation is a method similar to ordered pairs to write inequalities. Use parentheses on ends that are open or not equal to a value. Use brackets on ends that are closed or equal to a value. Use a comma between the smallest value and largest value. Let's do a couple of examples. Let's look at example 1. The inequality, remember we have variable, symbol, value. Variable, we can use any variable. I'm going to use x. Then we're going to have the value 3. Remember from last lesson, we point in the direction that the arrow is going, so we have less than. So x is greater than 3. Now let's write it as an interval notation. Smallest value is 3, and it goes on forever. So we have infinity. This is the infinity symbol. Since we have an open circle at 3, we're going to use a parentheses because it's not equal to 3. We always have a parentheses on infinity. Look at example 2. Let's write that as the interval notation first. Smallest value is negative infinity. We always have parentheses on negative infinity. Largest number is negative 2. Since the circle's filled in, that means negative 2 is equal to, so we're going to put a bracket. How about variable? Symbol this time is less than because it's pointing left, and it's less than or equal to because we have filled in circle with negative 2, and the value is negative 2. Here we have negative 2 is less than x, which is less than 4. We write that smallest value negative 2, largest value 4 with a comma in between. We're going to have parentheses on both because it's just less than. If we have less than or equal to, we would have a bracket. All real numbers are written as negative infinity to infinity. Remember on infinity, we always have parentheses. Let's look at all numbers between and including negative 1 and 4. Smallest number is negative 1. Largest number is 4, comma in between. Since we're including negative 1, we put a bracket. We're including 4, so we put a bracket around 4. Here's a few problems that I would like for you to try now. Here's a few other problems that I would like for you to try on your own.